Happy Sunday. Look at Bitcoin. I think as someone in my Discord mentioned, Trump mentioned something, and look at that, just freaking skyrockets. But the my elite GANN AI balanced indicator is killing it, and this is on a 15-second chart. It's pretty crazy. Just wanted this will be rolling out tomorrow, along with. So I'm going to do a few videos today. This one will be about the Elite GAN. Then I'm going to do one about the volume analysis. And then I do have a Scalper Pro. It does say NQ, but we can adapt it for any market. You can see it does pretty well. It creates these, I call them nodes, but these volume nodes. And you can look out when you have a combination of the AI GAN signal, and then you get the delta, and then the full system you put on some levels, and then you got some amazing things to work out of. But right now I just wanted to focus on the Elite GAN, and really the main key points is that it helps traders decide when to buy or sell, obviously, because you have the buy and sell indicators. And it really gives you a lot of areas for risk management, because this is a good signal, so you're going to put your stop here, and then obviously you're going to let it run till the next signal, ideally. Now, if you look at pre-market, or it doesn't have a pre-market, but you can see it does pretty well. You can just take the high percentage ones down, and then just take profit as you want. I mean, it destroys on crypto for the most part. You can see how you get really good ones here. False one, really good, false, decent, faults, okay, fault, and then monster. So with good risk management, you just destroyed it here, and you're destroying it here. So it's pretty cool, and so it does really well with Bitcoin. And really, so the overview of it is that this is really a complex trading tool. It's really obviously it's designed for TradingView only. It'd be cool to get this on Ninja, or like Sierra. But obviously, everything I code is for TradingView. And so the main thing is that it integrates various technical analysis methods to analyze movements. So it makes it really versatile for different market conditions. So it really has a lot of AI logic, hence why it's Elite GAN AI. So it has a lot of GAN logic, AI logic. So it's pretty cool. So basically, how this indicator works is it looks at past price data to predict future movements, and it uses a tool like GAN lines for price prediction, moving averages to smooth out trends, pattern recognition to identify potential reversals, and it adapts signals based on whether the market is trending, price is moving steadily, or up and down, or ranging. So, which helps, right, tailoring strategies to current market states. And look at me, it's just killing right now. I love it. It does have some key features for risk management, like I mentioned. It includes settings for stop loss and take profits at levels, and these are calculated by average true range and the measure of volatility, ensuring that you can manage potential losses and lock in profits. It's particularly helpful for beginners too, who might find risk management challenging. One thing that's pretty cool is that it focuses on two aspects, and this one it combines momentum, so speed of price movement, and volatility, and how much price fluctuates, and volume trading activity, and more. So a comprehensive approach might seem overwhelming at first, but it offers a balanced view, potentially reducing false signals. And that was the whole idea behind it. And so it's really cool. And it's named, Elite GAN AI Balance. It's built for, overlay on price charts. So with a maximum of 500 labels for signals, which indicates its capacity for detailed visual feedback. And it involves, again, using time and price relationships to predict market movements, and a balanced approach for signal detection. So that's pretty cool stuff. There's a lot going on with it. So if you look at the settings, if I turned, let me go back here because I like these settings the way they are. If you just kind of do the default, if you go back to here, obviously, and you just click on reset, so you'll see it does provide different lines for everything, and that's where you can really customize to fit what works for you. So as you come up here, you'll see that you have minimum bars between signals. You'll have the GAN level proximity threshold, and this is where the magic is too. You can enable the elite signal logic. So this is where you can build out your percentages. So you can reduce these or increase everything, and then you'll start getting signals that you like. So maybe we'll ramp these up a little bit and see, customize a little bit. It's pretty cool stuff. So there you go. So as you start playing around with it, you can basically craft your trading strategy to fit, and depending on how aggressive you want to be, so you can reduce that. You can reduce the base signal quality. So yeah, you reduce the base, you might get some false signals, but you're also going to get a lot of great entries too. So you can see some good ones, decent, pretty good. That one's a probably loser. That one's probably break even, and that one you probably lose, and that one you definitely lose. But then look at that. Again, this is not even really messing around with it that much at all. As you can see, 70%, 88%. I mean, it's a fantastic tool, and that's just doing the elite signal logic aspect. Then you can get into the adaptive market regimen detection, so you can reduce that down if you want to. You can change the ranging market threshold. You can enable multi-time frame filters, so maybe 50s, for on a small chart. You can change that to 20, and you can see it just gave you a better entry on that sell, a better entry on that buy. So it's just amazing the customizations you can get with this thing. And like I did, I kind of removed all the lines, but it does give you the stop loss, or I guess to say your this is like your entry, and this is your take profit. Now I tell you that this will be your stop, because your signal will be here. This is where your entry would be. Stop loss here, and then look at your take profit. Look how awesome that is. So you can backtest it, right? And it's just amazing. It's so awesome. I mean, it's a really cool tool. I'm excited to roll this out to the paid members of my group here. So let's go back to the settings again. Just like I love indicators. So then you get down to, we covered the adaptive market regime detection, and then we covered the multiple time frame. So then you can enforce it to strict trend following. You can have a whole MA if you'd like. So if you reduce the MA, the whole, let's see what happens there. I'm not even sure. Oh, so I think I got rid of that signal. So that's where you can customize it. You can. Does that do anything? I don't know. I haven't done too much with the whole. But as you can see, there's just a lot of things you can do. Let's see. So for volume, let's say you don't really care how much. Let's see what you're going to do. So look at that. I got rid of that false signal. So you're only looking for. That's kind of cool. And look at that. So just in a couple clicks, changing a couple things around. That one isn't that great, but overall though it's pretty solid. It's hard to tell until I spread it out a little bit. Oops. So yeah, that's where if you have it on a small time frame, 15 seconds is nothing. You are going to get some false ones, but all of a sudden you're going to get some really good ones too. It's just a beast with Bitcoin. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. It caught that massive move, and then it caught this thing. I'm telling you, if you're a crypto trader, and even NQ, this thing destroys on crypto. It's just amazing. And that's just one indicator. That's not including using the GAN levels to help you navigate it, right? It's just, so if we change this out a little bit to 4 hours, then look at that. It's just awesome. I love GAN levels, as you know. It didn't even get up to the 43, and then that's pretty cool. So let's see what else we got going on here. So get down here. So So the whole, then it has some. I mean, I already know all this stuff, but I'm just playing around. So you can have the MACD as a filter if you'd like. You can see how well. Look at that. Adds another filter there, but actually does pretty good keeping that on. Or no, I'm sorry. If you take it off, if you remove it, yeah, look at that. So if you remove it, it depends on if you want the RSI on. Nice. Look at that. Multiple entries. It's so good. And yeah, it's cool. You can get rid of the lines if you want to, and you can use the take profit and the stop loss. I tell you, this thing is so robust; it's unbelievable. And then it has GAN lines. I don't know if this function actually works right now. Yeah, it does work. Sorry. Yeah, so you can has the adaptive GAN lines, as I'd call them. Yeah, man, this thing is so good. You can change the period out a little bit, and that will change things, obviously. But yeah, that's so good. And then you can definitely change the size of the label. So man, it's just I love this thing. It's just amazing. Yeah, then you can get rid of the that little thing that bugs you. But I like the regime kind of tells you where everything's going. So anyway, this is going to be live tomorrow. I mean, so I'm gonna again. For only, what is it, $25 a month right now? I mean, so right now, for $25, you're going to get all this. So all this included just, my previous indicators, which rocked Bitcoin too. But then now, if you do pay the $25 a month, you're going to get access to all these indicators, and then you'll get Elite GAN, you'll get everything is legit, auto lines. You're going to get the NQ Scalper Pro, which has all this awesome information to help you trade, and then the volume. So I'm telling you, it's I think it's a pretty good package for someone looking for like a robust system to help you trade the market. It's just amazing. I'm excited to bring it out to everybody. So yeah, you put a combination of the volume with the signals, with the GAN lines. I mean, I think you got a very robust system to make you profitable almost every day. Maybe not every day, but very close. So yeah, this is just my first video covering the Elite GANN AI, and I don't know how long the $25 will be. I definitely need to ramp it up to probably 47. And probably even 99 down, within probably a month or two, just because I'll be just getting it better and better, and then it'll just be where it's just the value proposition is just too good. So I'm just putting it out there for anyone that wants to join early and come along the journey. Again, we have an awesome trading community in our Discord. We're always sharing good things we're learning. About when Trump speaks. I mean, we cover a lot of bases in trading, and we do a lot of cool videos. We do a lot of live videos on Discord and on YouTube, just depending what we're feeling. Discord videos are pretty cool because it's obviously there's no delay. YouTube, if I do live there, it's like 15 or 20-second delay, so it's not as great. But a lot of times we're doing, we share chart screens. So we have a cool guy named CJ. He'll come on, and he's really, one of my favorite traders to talk to. And even on last Friday, if you were on, he gave us like a chart layout of the VIX and how he uses what he calls a 5-minute kind of pivot using Heikin-Ashi. And I think he nailed the bottom on Friday or the other day. Anyway, so we're always sharing different ideas on how to be more profitable. And you're right, it just makes the journey even better when you have a really good group to share this really cool information with. So yeah, this will be my first again of a few videos today. So I'll be putting out the other ones on about volume, and then my the Scalper Pro. So I'm excited to get this out to you guys, to the paid members tomorrow. And I'm grateful for people that are already with me. So if people don't want to pay the $25 a month, you can have access to this if you just click on my affiliate link. I won't be updating this, but if you do click on my affiliate link, you will get access to the volume, you get access to the assistant, then you'll get access to the Quantum Pro, which I haven't covered that, and the Pro is amazing. So the Pro actually should be on my other chart too. And then of course the Cornerstone, which is really, this is worth $25 a month by itself, honestly. The auto plotter, which is my favorite. Really, that with confirmation is like the ultimate, trading system. When you practice with it, it's amazing. So, anyway, looking forward to this week, and I will be on making more videos later on today. Take care.